Yo, and what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be renting my taco truck again. So yeah, my Ford is in the shop. The suspension is cooked. So yeah. Hopefully I ain't late. Because I probably will have customers waiting. So I don't want them waiting for long. So yeah, just gonna turn, and my Ford, it is in the shop right now. Like I said, I wanted to like lower it, and I wanted to turn that into like a farm truck. So yeah. Okay, so if y'all haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 subs by August 15th, which that's my birthday. So yeah, hopefully we can hit it. So yeah, we're heading to the main road now. Hopefully like we don't get shut down or anything. Yeah. So hopefully there's no hair in the food like yesterday. So I didn't really do no changes. The only change that I did was I put cones in front of it, and it looks like we have a line. But yeah, I just put cones, and I put like a new grill. So it looks like we have a line. Looks like the same customers as yesterday. But there isn't that lady that had hair in her food. Okay, you're going first. Okay. Hello, welcome to Lovely Dirt's Taco. What can I get you? Okay. I'm hungry. Okay. What can I get you started? Do y'all have nachos? Yeah, we have nachos. Do you want nachos? 5 nacho, please. Okay, that'll be $15.99. Gotta make up the nachos. Gotta put the chips, the queso. Okay. And there we go. There you go. I could tell your breath stinks. Okay. There's your nacho, sir. Okay. Hello, sir. Welcome to Lovely Darts Taco. What can I get started for you today? $120 tacos? Oh my gosh. Well, I'm just gonna get the tacos, the backup tacos. Gotta make them. And there you go, sir. They're on the house, I guess. Who's this crazy person come flying up in here? Hello, ma'am. Welcome to Lovely Dirt's Taco. I'm the health department. Oh, no. Can I come in? Yes, you can come in. You can come in through there. Oh, it's fine, ma'am. Here's our, that's our condiments over there, and, yeah, it's a little greasy, and that, yeah, that's our condiments, like our lettuce and stuff, and that's our grill, not that, but, that's our grill, that blue thing. It's all right. Okay. Yeah, you get tacos. Let me make them. There we go. They're on the house for today. They're free. Yeah. Okay. It looks like she's leaving now. I don't know what she's doing. Whoa. She just crashed into our taco truck. No, our taco truck. No, she just crashed into the car wash. Everyone run. She's crashing into the car wash. No. I'm getting out of here. Let me move my truck so she don't hit it. No, don't hit my truck. Don't hit my truck. No, my truck. Well, I think I'm going to end off the video here. So if y'all did enjoy this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.